So the next modify tool is the extend tool, okay, which can be seen here below the trim tool. Okay, I'll just draw some lines here. Okay, non-intersecting lines. Okay, so extend tool. Okay, I'll just select it in the ribbon. Okay, so select objects to extend. Okay, like for example, I wanted to extend this line, okay, onto this, up to this line. Okay, you can simply select that one. Okay, that is the extend tool. Also, if you wanted to draw a rectangle, okay, then I wanted to extend this line up to that rectangle. Okay, I'll just simply type in E and then X. That is the keyboard shortcut for extend. Then press enter. Okay, you can select that line directly. Okay, if you're going to select that line again, it will be extend to the next side, okay, or boundary. Okay, then also I wanted to use this one. Okay, then I would like to use extend. But then the command line, there are some options again, approximately similar to the trim tool. Okay, so boundary edges, I would select boundary edges. Okay, so I'll just select for the boundary edges. If I wanted to extend this line up to that rectangle, I would select that rectangle, and then I'll press enter and then select that line that I wanted to extend. Okay, and then press enter. That is the use of the boundary edges. Okay, so similarly, you could draw a circle. Okay, I wanted to draw a circle here, and then I'll draw another line here. Okay, so tendency, if you're going to extend this line, okay, it will be first extended up to this boundary. Okay, so if I'm going to select this one, okay, and then select again until it reaches the circle. Okay, I'll just undo that one, then undo again. Okay, so I'll just press the escape key, then I'll just select the extend tool, then I'll select boundary edges. Okay, and then I would select this circle as my boundary, and then I'll press the enter. And then if I'm going to select that line, it will be extended up to the circumference of the circle, like for example this one. Okay, it will bypass the rectangle because the boundary edges that you have selected is the circle. It will extend the line up to that boundary. Okay, so I'm just select this line. Okay, okay, then I'll just press the enter key. Okay, similarly, if you're going to use the extend tool, okay, I would select my boundary as this one. Select the boundary edges option in the command line. Okay, and then I'll select this one, and then I'll press enter, then I'll select this line. Okay, notice that it will be extended up to that boundary. Okay, it will bypass the circumference here, the side of the rectangle, and this line. Okay, so I'll select this one. Okay, then press enter or escape key to end the extend tool. So that is the extend tool.